So I'm eating in a restaurant the other day. This is just a little hamburger type joint, and I was surprised to see when I made my order that it wasn't brought out by a person. It was brought out by a moving box on wheels that handed me the drink and set the plate on my table. I had never seen that before.
Is ready,
yeah.
Mr.
Didn't say anything. It just had like a little strip of lights going across it, kind of reading, "Hey, hope you enjoy your food," et cetera, et cetera. Made with love back in the kitchen. It's it's strange.
Did it want a tip?
They did not ask for a tip, which was the greatest part of the day. Elad Inbar is an internationally known thought leader in the field of robotics. He's joining us here. He owns Robot Lab based in DFW. Elad, thank you so much for coming on today.
Hey, good morning. Thank you for having me.
Are we going to see more of this kind of thing?
I believe so. Yeah, absolutely. We're doing it for 18 years, and in the past 3-4 years, it definitely took off.
Are we seeing it take off because, we've seen people are getting paid more money. You see minimum wages are going up, people in fast food restaurants. And is this one of those things where it's just almost cost prohibitive to have that many employees, so we may as well do it with some robots?
Yes and no. Yes, cost of labor is definitely rising, but the reality is that people don't want to do these jobs anymore. Ask any business owner, if they can hire enough people to do, everything that they need, from serving food in restaurants or bussing tables, taking the dirty dishes back to the dishwashing station, cleaning carpets in hotel corridors or assisted living facilities, moving boxes in warehouses. It's impossible to find enough people to do the job. And it doesn't matter how much you pay at some point. And this is where automation can actually step in and help business owners stay open, stay competitive, and, service their customers.
Elad Inbar owns Robot Lab here in DFW. I have to ask about the technology, how far it's advanced. Every now and then I would walk out of the building down here in the downtown area, and I'd see somebody walking with a robot dog next to them. I've actually seen a robot person on the street down here near the American Airlines Center. It's really interesting. How far is this advanced in the last just few years alone?
Very much. There are a lot of advancements that happen, especially when it comes to AI, to robotics, to even computing power. I'm sure everyone is, if not using daily, at least experimented with ChatGPT or Google Gemini and all these, amazing AI tools that we have available now. And what we are seeing is an explosion of intelligence that help this type of products, robots, to navigate safely around obstacles, to complete tasks that were not possible just before. They use cameras, they use laser sensors to detect obstacles. They use advanced algorithms to be able to understand the environment even when it changed. Think about a typical restaurant, for example. Tables are moving, there are chairs all over, there are sometimes backpacks on the floor. It's a chaotic environment that couldn't be navigated by a robot until just a couple of years back. But now we can actually do that. You can get to the table, even if there is a large party and tables are being moved and everything, the robot can still get there. These are advancements that just happen because of much more computing power and advanced algorithms, AI, and everything that allows the robots to be more useful, more productive for us.
Elad Inbar owns Robot Lab in DFW. Elad, hang on just a couple of seconds. I have more questions for you. This is fascinating stuff to me. We're going to get to more here, but we have to get to Julie DeHardy and find out what's happening in traffic and weather on the ones, 6:51 now.
Talking to Elad Inbar, international thought leader in the field of robotics. Now, my question to you, Elad, we see this in restaurants and we see this in other places, but are we seeing this in the military, and will we see an increase in that moving forward?
I believe so. At the end of the day, automation can help in many, many different ways, from defense and, all the way to firefighting. We have firefighting robots that we have demonstrated already at the DFW airport, robots that can, again, save lives of, firefighters and all of that. So we will see that in almost every market, every industry that, we can think of because of the capabilities to help people to save lives.
You know, unfortunately, Eli, when you talk about robots and then you add in artificial intelligence, the first thing that comes to a lot of folks' mind, the pop culture version of it, is the Terminator.
Yeah, absolutely.
And so there's a little bit of concern about that. What do you think the future is going to be where that kind of thing, do people have anything to be worried about?
Yeah, I mean, absolutely. I mean, the thing is this. Technology, okay, is a tool, okay, and like every tool, we choose how to use it, right? I mean, you can use a knife to make salad or to hurt people. You can use a car to get from place to place, to drive to vacations, or to plow through people, right? I mean, this is a tool in our hands. And I believe that, at the core, humanity is good, and, we just want to be able to be free to, be more with our families and everything. And we won't get to the point that, we have this type of a Terminator, style of robots. But at the end of the day, this is our choice, not the tool's choice.
Are we ever going to see the day when perhaps households will have their own personal assistant robot?
Faster than what you believe, yes. We have a bet in the company. I said that by the end of this decade, which, by the way, is in 5 years from now.
Not long.
And it breaks my brain to think that we are so close to the 2030. But by the end of this decade, we'll have a robot plumber that will be able to crawl under the sink and figure out, the clogged pipe, or fix the dishwasher, or do anything that a plumber can do. This will be a humanoid robot that looks like human and can. Traverse, a normal, household environment, stairs and everything. And the most interesting thing that this plumber will actually be an app that we will download on a humanoid robot that we already have at home. Okay, that's where we're going to. So if we have to, tackle anything, it doesn't matter what it is, it's just one app away, because humanoid robots are the holy grail of robotics, of automation, because they are built like humans. They are the human shape. And if you think about it, we built our environments, our homes, our offices, everything to match the human shape. Think about the elevator button. Think about the door handle. Think about the dishwasher door, or anything around us is built for the human form factor. So if we want to get as much help as needed as we can, we have to get humanoid robots to integrate with the world the way that we built it. So. Getting this type of robots that look like humans, that can interact like humans, that can, crawl, under the sink, right? Mm-hmm. Like humans, is definitely the holy grail. And I believe that we'll see that in the upcoming, 4 or 5 years in homes. The CEO of Tesla, Elon Musk, the CEO of Figure Robotics, Ed Adcock. Basically, both of them are setting up humanoid robots like Optimus from Tesla and so on.
Okay.
And they said that they are building or setting up, the factories and everything to get to 1 billion, with a B, billion robots by the end of this.
Elad, I'm up against a wall on time. We definitely have to have you back. This is Elad Inbar. The company is called Robot Lab. It's based here in DFW. Thank you so much for your time this morning. I really do appreciate it.
Thank you for having me.
Okay, we'll talk to you again.